Hey guys, I'm heading out to my dental appointment. I'm gonna get my teeth cleaned and I'm gonna run a few last minute errands. The streets are so empty. It feels like a ghost town, truly. Whew. Walking to the dentist. Later on I have one last minute gift I need to go get. Wish me luck because I really have no idea what I'm getting as of right now. And then I need to go to Trieu to get dates and eggs to make the toffee cookies. I don't also have any cookie tin or big boxes or containers to store the cookies. I'm not really sure how I'm gonna nicely present it to people, and we'll see if they will also survive the long road trip. The plan is that we are going to try to leave New York bright and early tomorrow morning, which is on the 24th. We'll stop by a few places on the way to get wine and any last minute groceries, and we'll make it there for dinner hopefully. But yeah, I'm very excited. I'm so tired at the same time, like I can't think straight.
Oh, okay.
It's 3:30. I just got done with my appointment. My teeth feel so clean. I've been thinking about getting Invisalign for so long, and then after I was quoted the price, I was like, ugh, insurance plan doesn't cover that much. But it's always been on my mind that I would love to have my bottom teeth straightened up. I've never had braces before. As I was saying, that I have always been interested in doing Invisalign. So apparently it takes 6 months to a year. I have been grinding my teeth for years now, and I know that it affects my teeth, and I think I'm just gonna do a night guard first. But yeah, it was a little bit stressful because I really don't enjoy dental visits, but it feels good to know that my teeth are still nice and healthy. These are so cute. I want to stop by a Gap and a J.Crew just to browse for a few, again, last minute, just basic stuff for gifts. Shopping was someone who is extremely hard to shop for, so I'm like playing guessing game for like months now, and just gonna pop in and see what speaks to me in person. I want this exact top, this exact fabric, long sleeves, but I don't have it. Matter of information, this long sleeve looks so cute. I love that it has the lace at the bottom too. Okay, now this is actually a cute one. Extra slim fit long sleeves. This, but in a white color. I love this neckline. Okay, I didn't know this top comes with a tank underneath because the fabric is so sheer. The neckline is a little bit too open for me. Like I got a medium as well, but this is not the long sleeve white top that I am looking for. It's nice, fabric feels really comfortable. It's slightly sheer, that's why, but I'm not really a fan of how it looks up here. It's okay. Okay, this one they don't have any other colors in store besides this gray one. I'm not a fan of this color, but I think the fit is decent, a little bit too cropped. Fabric feels amazing though. It's thin, but it's not too see-through. Size medium. Yeah, too cropped. I also forgot to mention that I love necklines like this, how it's like flat. And it looks clean. Same thing as this kind of neckline, where it's the same fabric as the bodice. But yeah, this top is so strange because there are two tags. One that is attached to the tank and one is attached to the long sleeve. I love this fabric though. While I wait for my item to arrive, I'm gonna show you up close of this Gap Studio set that I have on today. Feel really good in them. I already got some compliments. But I belted it with my DeHange belt. Have on my Brandy Melville white t-shirt underneath. Feels really comfortable. And I'm wearing my Kate boots, Buck Mason wrap coat in Prince and Schooler tote. Okay, this is size medium. Neckline is way too big, but I like the fit. It's cropped, boxy. Fabric feels nice, but yeah, neckline is way too big. I am not a fan of the sleeves. There are slits on the sides. I could even do small, but what do you think? Also, the neckline is too big. Too open. Okay, got dates for the cookies, eggs, apricot, plantain chips for the roll tomorrow, and then 2 bananas. So tonight for dinner, we are going to have mustard green soup with shrimps. I'm going to fry some eggs because I got a new pack of eggs to make the cookies, so I'm gonna fry some for dinner and we'll eat it with rice. I cannot wait to go back home and get unready for the day. It's been about 5 minutes. I've let my brown butter to cool down a little bit to room temperature. I'm going to transfer my brown butter over to this large mixing bowl. Next, I'm going to add in the eggs and the vanilla extract. Add in the flour, salt, and baking soda. Kosher salt, baking soda, and mix until just combine. Now let's move back into our toffee cookie. I have let the dough chill in the fridge. It's probably been 30 to 45 minutes now, and it's very scoopable. It's no longer wet or sticky. I'm going to portion these out. We're probably gonna use the small tray here. I'm going to preheat my oven to 350 first. I think this is the best batch of chocolate chip cookies I've ever made. I'm so happy with these. At least these turns out perfect. I'm going to sprinkle in modern sea salt on top. And then we'll just wait for these to cool down. Then I'll transfer them to a glass container with the lid. Now these are actually pretty. Look at this sea salt. It's like a pyramid.